online. Now I'm going to talk about my brothers in the entertainment system. Now these people, these devils, use my brothers and sisters to mind wash the children. But it's not going to work. As long as you got me and other brothers out here that's going to preach the truth, that wave their hands like this and preach the truth to you people, because you people are devils. I know who you are. It's in here who you are. And this is the criterion. We are the seed of Jacob, in which descends from Abraham, in which descends from Noah. And now you call us African Americans, which we're not African Americans. And you know that, Esau. But you try to brainwash us. And you steady want to brainwash us, but people are coming to the knowledge and the light of God, and you're telling them about this system, about the microchips and shit. You think you're going to put microchips in my daughters' and sons' arms and shit. That shit ain't going to happen. You try to get us to take a damn flu shot, that shit ain't going to happen. We're going to crush you. All 12 tribes are going to crush you until you damn preachers in that church standing up there thinking you talking about something. Sit down somewhere and have something about yourself. Like sitting around here for the word like Lahusha. That's a Jewish term for miscatechical fortitude. If you're going to preach the truth and knowledge and wisdom and have understanding. And peace. I saw it. And I'm going to show y'all. See, we all sit around each other and we talk about this and build it. That's what Jesus did. Jesus sat around and drunk wine and built with his brothers and sisters and exposed the truth. And he told them, but you see, you got a devil system. When people act like that, this is a vessel right here. See, that's what you call 85 Savage. Now let me get back to the point. Stop clowning around. And I close. I'm going to tell you this.
You the dumbest damn fucking woman, boy. Goddamn dumbass. You get no damn refund.
Now, that is 450 years of enslavement. That's what I'm talking about. I'm trying to explain to you right now. Now, I'm going to get back in the Bible what it says like this. On part 2, I'm going to get on that with y'all. But right now, I'm going to talk about the world that we live in, like these entertainment. You got them doing this right here, and they don't even know what they're doing. Oh, the one that's doing it, he knows what he's doing. But, and then you got this dollar bill in my pocket I'm going to show you, and I'm going to expose you to Rockstown. And you can't touch me because I'm protected by God himself. Now, I'm going to tell y'all how you trickery, that shit is dead and done and washed up. Now, you see this ugly motherfucker right here, your forefather of the United States right here, right? I know what he is. You know what he is, too. Wait a minute.
What is that?
Wait a minute.
What type of YouTube video is this?
Exposing the Illuminati. No, exposing Esau Seed. That's what it's going to be called. Esau Seed. Now, let's see here. Close that door. We don't want to, they don't want to see you smoking that rock. The people ain't gonna view my shit, they see you smoking that rock. Yeah, I'm back. Part 2. This is called Crush the Esau Seed Show.
This is called hitting the goddamn wall.
Come on.
I was like, what's up with that?
I'm back. And like I was saying, I'm serious on this tip.
You want a bar?
About our children.
You want a beer?
Yes, about our children. Talking about the these entertainment, looking up to these entertainment sport figures and rappers and singers.
It ain't no good.
There's a song that Chris Brown put on the radio. It's called Fallen Angel. And you heard it before. Do you know what Fallen Angel means? That is Lucifer and the fallen ones of the Elohim. Those are the evil people. And they came to earth when they fell from earth, and they made it and breeded with the women of the earth. And they produced all kind of evil people. See, we're the children of the Elohim. We was taken from our land, script from our language, the way our God was. And it tells you in this book right here, which people go to church every Sunday and scream God, and this Bible tells you in Deuteronomy, which Deuteronomy is according to us, it tells you not to serve pagan gods. You have people that serve the crosses, and you have people that serve the stones, if you know what I'm saying. And I'm going to get back in this on part 2. But I'm closing because my brother got to go. But I'm going to say this to you. When I come back part 2, I will have the real research for you, and I will have stuff out on the table for you. And that's what we do. And this is what Jesus says. Peace be unto you. It's saloon, my brothers and sisters. Cut it off.